Hey guys, so I've been wanting an electric mop for so long, and I was so excited when EOUS sent me this electric cordless mop. This thing has made cleaning so much easier and faster, so let me show you all about it and how it works. First off, the handle is adjustable. It moves all the way side to side, which makes it really easy whenever you are cleaning, getting in like little corners. And it also leans back all the way, so when you are getting underneath tables, couches, anything like that, it just makes it super easy for it to glide. Now it does have a water tank on here. Right here, you can go ahead and just pop it off. I do already have it filled up with water. It holds a decent amount of water in it. You just go ahead and open up the top of it, fill it with water, and then easily just pop it right back on. Snaps right into place for you. Now down here are the scrubbers. It comes with 2 different sets for you, which is really nice. So whenever one's being cleaned, you have the other ones to use, which I really like that because I'm constantly going through them, cleaning up my house. Now this is self-propelling, so when you do have it on, the scrubbers go in 2 opposite directions, so it helps propel it forward just to make it your cleaning job. It just makes it really easy for you. So to turn it on, all you're gonna do is you're gonna push the button right on top, and you can see it's already pretty much moving already on its own. It makes it really easy, so if you are a little weak in the arm, you know, this is the one for you. And then right underneath here is the button you're gonna push to spray the water. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit here. So you're gonna spray the water forward. Just like that, it's gonna mop it right up. Perfect for messes, whether it's your dog, your animal, you know, they have an accident on the floor. My kids are always spilling juice, spilling water around. It's just so easy to clean up. Now it does have on the front a couple headlights for you, so if you are doing it, it's a little dark, you're in a corner that's a little dark, that's really nice. It comes in handy, especially if it's underneath the couch and you're cleaning. Now for the battery life on here, it only takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge the battery, and it lasts around 50 minutes, which is really nice. You can clean your whole house in that time. To charge it, it's just right here on the side. You're just gonna go ahead and plug it in and charge it up and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a really nice cordless electric mop, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.